Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night. Race all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll fly.
Say I was there when the ships came, when them chastise in a Jesus' name. Some of them say me crazy, some say me lame, but Rome I go burn up in a flame. Hello my gingerbread and jelly bean, welcome back to an episode of JVLOGS. Thanks to all the new subscribers. Thanks for all the support that you guys have given me. Thanks to everybody that buy the t-shirt. Now today is just a rant video. I want to express myself because I got a message after I posted something on my WhatsApp from a friend. She might feel offended after this, but it's whatever. I just felt like expressing myself based on that message or that interaction via social media that I received after posting my t-shirt. So one of my friends, longtime friends, supported the t-shirt. The t-shirt is on discount now. You can get free shipping. The t-shirt is $22 after tax, probably $23 after tax. You know, taxes on everything. Now, as I've always said, I don't buy the t-shirt. I just go on Teespring, put the logo on it and sell the t-shirt there. They provide shipping, printing, sourcing the t-shirt, and shipping out and everything. They deal with all. I just put the design on it. They manage everything else. Simple as that. Straightforward. It's easy for people that don't have the investment to buy a t-shirt, putting down in a house, waiting for people to order, begging for people to order, and then they ship it out to them. So they make it easier for you. They have the inventory to do all of that, which is understandably, it's a smart, you know, it's a smart way to make a little money. You make a little profit off it, and they make a profit off it as well because they're doing most of the work. So you have to understand that you don't get all of that $23. No, the person basically said that they don't. Let me read the message just to quote them, just to be correct, so I can quote them properly on what they said. It's just not worth the money. So the person said it's just not worth the money. Yeah. So the person basically said the t-shirt is just not worth the money. When they said that, I kind of look at it from a whole different aspect. I can understand if you don't have $23 to spend on a t-shirt. I can understand if you can't justify $23 for a t-shirt. I do get that. However, you are supporting an individual that is trying to do something. You're supporting an individual basically does whatever you sell a t-shirt for, just a sponsorship, just to keep, you know, the livelihood going. They don't know if they have kids taken care of, they don't know if they have bills to pay, so they want a little profit. They're being an entrepreneur, pretty much. This is entrepreneurship. You're doing something that's going to bring in income. You're being creative. You're trying to just, you know, do what other people do. You're trying to do what Gap do. You're trying to do what Old Navy do. You're trying to do what Fendi do, and all those people that sell $700, $300, $400 jacket and shirts and stuff like that. Fashion over stuff like that. You can spend $23, $25, $30 buying those products, a same t-shirt, but you can't spend $23 to support a black man or a white person or an Indian or whoever you want to be. You can't spend $23 to support a small person. Just think about that, peeps. Just think about that. You're starting a business, or you're starting a cook shop, and you set your price at $12 and $10, and the people are going to come to your shop and say, oh, I can't justify buying your food for $12 because I can't get it elsewhere for less. It's just basically saying that I don't see the value in you to support you with $23. I don't see the value in your product to support you, and that is understandable. I get that. But we have to understand that people that are our friends or that are close to us, they are the ones that's going to need us in the long run. So as soon as you get big, as soon as people on the outside start supporting you and starting to get bigger and you start to get famous, that's when everybody want to jump on the bandwagon. That's when everybody want to, oh, I know this person for a long time. They want to recognize you now when you're bigger. But when you're struggling and small, like a small YouTube blogger like myself, nobody really care, nobody really support you. It's just a very few loyal people that support you and willing to invest in you and invest in your vision and say, you know what, even though this shirt is $22, I can take the $22 and buy cigarette, I can take the $22 and buy wine, I can take the $22 and pay a phone bill or add it to something. But you know what, I see the value in you and I want to support you, and I'm going to spend this $22 on you because I think you deserve it. We have to be careful how we deal with people and who we support and how we go about doing things, because the same money that you can go elsewhere to support a big business, you can actually buy a regular t-shirt from a guy like me and be like, you know what, I can buy the t-shirt elsewhere, but I want to support you. And it's all, sometimes those little support go far away. And I want people to understand that we have the choice to do what we want to do, but sometimes it's good to support small businesses. Sometimes it's good to support small people because it goes a far, far away. And most of us are really, really appreciative and we just want the support. That's all we want, you know, we just want the little support. So to say that it's not worth it, but we can spend that same $23 and support rich people that's already rich and making a profit, but we can't support the small man that need the support, that need the help. You see how life funny? Life funny in that way. And I just wanted to vent and express that. So if you're watching this and you feel a certain type of way, then fine. If not, you know what I mean, that's just how it is. If you want to support the t-shirt, the links will be below for all the t-shirts. You can go to the Teespring store and support the t-shirt. And I'll be very appreciative of that. If not, then it's just is what it is. Like, it's there now. You can get discount on your shipping. You can type in April 19 and get free shipping on the t-shirts. Like I say, it's up to you what you want to do with your support. But I'd be really appreciative if you do support me. If not, then it just is what it is. But I just wanted to let people know that support goes a far way and it does help. So, you know, kudos to the people that actually support small businesses and small people like myself. And, you know, big up to the rest of you guys. It's your choice at the end of the day what you want to do with your money. I can dictate or make you feel guilty or guilty into buying my t-shirt. That's not the case. I'm just expressing how I feel. Like I say, if I was a Beyonce or a Cardi B or a Jay-Z or, you know, or a Kevin Hart or any one of the big celebrities there, I'd sell 1 million t-shirts already. You know, but I'm just a small guy that is not even known to 2,000 people. You know, still not worth it to spend $23 to support me to buy a t-shirt, but such is life. So I hope you guys, you know, enjoy this rant. In the comment section below, tell me how you feel about that. If you're a small business and, you know, people tell you all kind of crap and don't support you, or they promise to support you and never did, like, you know, sound off in the comment section below. Let me know how you feel and stuff like that. So thanks for watching JVLOGS. I really, really appreciate each and every one of you. And see you guys in the next video. My God.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known.